Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today we're going to go over on how to move the slider on the bean hopper for the Ceado coffee grinders, as some customers do have difficulty in sliding the slider out. So if you take a look at the bean hopper, it's kind of difficult for some customers because there's two tabs inside of here. So it can be difficult to slide it out for some customers. Quick tip on the moving the slider on the Ceado bean hopper is to pull. But if you have difficulty, you can also tap with your hand on the opposite side to push it out. Or if you have too much difficulty, like this new bean hopper here, you take a towel, place it on your counter, and just a small tap like that will loosen the slider for the bean hopper. Then you can insert it into the grinder and put your beans in. Thank you for watching this quick tip video. We hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we can earn your thumbs up down below. Or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please use the comment section below. Thank you again and have a great day.